Hello YGO, welcome to Youth Group Online. My name is Miss Paida and I am the youth group leader for the 2022 Girls What? Okay, so you know guys how we always used to have a dance or a game at the beginning of youth. Today I have amazing news because I'm going to teach you a dance move that is called the Jerusalem Dance Challenge that has gone viral all over. This is a song from South Africa and it basically means Jerusalem, my home, guard me and lead me to my home. It also says in the second verse that this earth is not my home. My kingdomly home is not here on earth, but it is in heaven. So I'm going to be showing you the steps and then at the end we'll do with the song. And I know you guys can do it. I cannot wait to see your videos of you doing this dance challenge. So let's get straight into it. Salibonani mangane makaya. That is hello, my friends at home. Now I am joined by the beautiful Miss Jane, and she's going to join me in teaching you this tutorial. Okay, so the first step, you put your left leg forward. All our moves are going to be in 4 counts, so that will be pretty easy, right? So we put our left leg forward and we tap it 4 times. So you can either stomp, ka, 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 or you can just do like a groove if you don't want to stomp. Okay, so we do 4 this side and then we turn our legs and we do 4 this side. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. From this point, you do what some people call the shuffle, some people call it the scissors, some people call it the crazy dance that we do during the monkey song, if you remember that song. So we go 4 times again, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have your right. The next part now is you stomp, and then you make it seem like you're tripping, so you go for a run. So when you, from this point, you go like, tap 1, 2, 3, 4. You will see how it will come out when you're doing it faster. So let's do that part again. Right. So your leg is here. You've come from the shuffle. And then you go like tap, tap, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And you face this side. When you face this side, now you're going to like the electric slide move that most people do at weddings, at parties. 4 counts again. So you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you go 4 times again this side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then backwards 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then when you do your 4, your left is already like in position here. And you step 4 times again. Now we go back to the start. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do the shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you do the tripping dance where you go tap and 1, 2, 3, 4. You're facing the side. So, right, let's try and do that from the beginning so that we know that everyone has got the moves before we put the music on. Okay, so from the top, 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And tap. And shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And trip. 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, shuffle. Cha, cha, cha. And trip. And face this way. And then you just keep repeating and repeating until you got it. And then at the end, you start adding little dance moves, grooving, and enjoy the song. Jerusalema Challenge. I'm excited to see what you guys do on social media. Now we're going to do it with a bit of music.
Jerusalema, ikhaya lami, ilondoloze Jerusalema, ikhaya lami. Ilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangishilana, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze, zuhambe nami, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze, zuhambe nami. Ilondoloze, 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 zungangishilana. Ilondoloze, 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 zungangishilana.
You guys, good luck, and we cannot wait to see more videos. Bye!